December 24th, 2020. I had a video started earlier. The system crashed because of an update, and I'm back. Market already started. I am not giving anyone financial advice. I'm just telling you or showing you what I trade and how I trade. If you want to follow my good parts, then do that. If you want to avoid the negative things I do that as well. So here we are, current watch list. Now I usually don't trade stock less than $1 the previous day, but this morning it was quite a few of them up pretty high. I don't know what's going on. So CEI was one of them. I had my eye on. However, my computer crashed, so I was unable to buy anything with a crashed computer. So if you look right here, CEI, AVGR, they all have. This has 25 million shares being traded on 25 million share float on a 28 million share being traded right now in volume. News this morning on energy company was right here. Group 20 billion share sold pre-bill. Okay, so you have news of acquiring another company. Now yesterday's stock was only 80 cents. Went up a whole dollar this morning, over 115%, which is a big move. But it pulled back dramatically. Now I don't like trading stocks, as you guys know by now. Again, less than $1. This was only 80 cents yesterday. So the top 1, 2, 3 stocks are all cheapies. I'm not a big fan of it. The only one worth buying, even close for me, with the lowest float, is right here, the CEI. I traded stock about 50 times over the last year alone. So we're going to see what happens right here. So far, nothing. Market closed today at 12:30. So keep in mind that Christmas Eve has a short market close. So be in and out by 12:30. Here come SENS. But the float is way too large. I'm not going to buy that. Next one I think about buying is SIF. Let me go to my chart window right here. How about that? Put CEI right there. 2 days in a row with foolishness. Throw me out my game. But I ain't going to let it stop me. CEI, AVGR still moving. High float. I put up there. They're going to move right there. I put over here AVGR. First stock on my list was AVGR this morning. You see it right there. All right. Get rid of this for yesterday. Clear drawing set. And we have SENS right here. I don't like none of these so far. I'm not going to trade that at all. Forget that. Let's see. HCAP. HCAP. First of all, I am not giving anyone financial advice. I'm just showing you how I trade stocks. And again, you can watch what I do if you choose to. You can avoid it. You can find the good and the bad you may see and put it into your system of how you trade. I'm just a guy on the internet that trades stocks and like to show people how I trade in efforts to help someone that helped me years ago show me how to trade stocks. You know, just trying to pass down what's been passed to me. You follow? Each one teach one. SIF though, I like what it's doing right here. It's going to be recovery right here. That large green buy candle. So, let me go over here. Watch this move on SIF. Now again, I won't tell anyone what to do with their hard-earned money. I'll just show you or tell you what I'm looking at. Meanwhile, top right, AVGR, which I'm not going to trade, is 70 cents right now. So it's up 8 cents since I first posted it in the group. Let me go over here for a minute and look at this. Here we go. SENS. I see it moving. Got a large float though. That float is way too large. I don't like that. I'm not going to trade that. Not going to do it. For the move, what, 3 or 4 cents? Not going to do it. IPOC, which is back. IPOC. Fill. And AMCI, UEC, CAN, LCY, VUZI. I might not find a trade today. It might move slow, the market, because it's only half day. And everybody not going to be doing it. They're going to be handling Christmas stuff because it is tomorrow. So it might be a short day today for me as well. Well, half day is already short, but maybe shorter than that. Don't force trades. It's not there. You know what I mean? SIF to move, though. Let me look at SIF. It's 4 million shares traded right now on a 6 million share float. That's the move right there. Meanwhile, AVGR still rolling. Look at that. 75 cents. I won't trade it, but those you like those kind of trades, I put it right there. So don't say I didn't tell you. You could be at 12 cents right now if you'd have bought it. Problem is you gotta buy 10,000 more shares just to get money out of it. That's why I don't like buying stocks that cheap. I'm watching for a buy here, trying to find one on CEI. I'm not gonna force anything. It's gonna watch. I haven't traded anything yet. Let me see. SIF on this pullback. Let's watch the reversal. Possible 630-ish buy-in. Meanwhile, this daggone SENS is still hovering. It's 110. Not worth buying. Let me go to CEI. 3,000 shares. Don't want 3,000 shares. It's a small account. 3,000 a little too much. Let me get rid of this. I'm drawing to it like that. Find me a buy point. First point is going to be previous resistance, which is right there. Previous support. It's actually hitting the line. See, I did this line here straight across is banging support. Straight across resistance. Let's watch right here. Now if I hop in, it'll be right here somewhere, like 138, 139-ish, for a run up to possibly to about 15 cents. Take what the market gives you, right? SIF. Let's watch this pullback right here. SIF. Let me go over here to my watch, to my charts. And there go SENS. I told you 3 or 4 or 5 cents. That ain't worth the hassle. Not for me, at least. I haven't traded anything yet. Don't force trades, right? All right, what we got going on here on the left? I don't see anything yet. Meanwhile, it's moving little by little. But look at float. 254 million share float. That's way too large. CEI building some steam though. Look at them sellers over there piled up. Not many buyers. Live news again back here. They bought 51% of Viking Energy Group for 20 million. Usually when you buy a stock, you lose value because you're losing capital to buy that company. Usually it pulls back, not roll up. News make it roll up overall, but ideally when you buy in a company, you're losing capital, so you're losing money. That means the money goes down. When the money goes down, the stock price drops. So that was a little reverse. So it went up on news and then pulled back immediately. All right. I don't see anything yet worth trying. AMPE, nope, too high of a float. I don't know, y'all. Might be a fast day this morning. Might not trade anything. Look over here, AVGR. It made the move up. Like I said earlier, I don't trade stocks so cheap. It made a 13, 14 cent move and it pulled back. SIF, looking for a move right here. On reversal. It's oversold right now. It's bottoming out at 551. Draw a line across it like that. And the next channel is 650. 650. That's the channel we looking at right there. SENS picking up volume little by little, but it's not moving the price that much. Let me watch right here for a minute. We're still in a downward trend. 5-day, 15-minute straight pullback. Look at that. It had a 15, 30-minute run, 15, 30, then straight decline. Yeah. It might retrace all the way back to this daggone low. Look at this VWAP. It's curving downwards. It's all telling you it's going down. Which is why I don't buy it right now. Don't like it at all. Let me go to my charts. We got to pop 138, 139 for me to buy it. Right now, I don't like it. All right. Let's see. AVGR. Let me get rid of this. Get rid of cheap stocks. NVIV. Get rid of that. Since AVGR. Slowly but surely. Straddling that 5-minute. First candle to make a new high. 5-minute candle to make a new high. It's right about here, 136. See that curve up? Let's watch it. $15-minute though, it's telling me don't buy it. See that? It's saying don't buy it. However, it banged this point, blew through it, and came back. But it's still pointing downwards. It had a big spike, pull back. So it's saying don't buy it. I'm going to hold off for a minute. We need this to be a long green candle for me to buy it. Like these right here are. Let's watch. Let's do it. I'm going to hop in. Right. Let's go. It must make this line here support for me to buy in. Otherwise, I'm going to just watch it for a minute. Let's look up here. What do we see? ENG is back. I haven't bought anything yet in the small account at all. See what it did just now? It faked me out. Say what I bought in right here. I'd have been holding the bag all the way down, right? Look at that pullback. I didn't buy anything. I said this here must be support. Look at that. Look at the 15-minute chart. I called yesterday. I said to you, it's pulling straight back. That's terrible. Now, on a 15-minute chart, it started curving upwards. That'd be a target buying in point right there. Right now, it's all bad. It ran up to 180, back down out of 117. That's why I don't like buying stock less than $1. They're dangerous. You might get a good move, but more likely than not, it's going to catch you. ENG. Let me go over here to my charts. ENG, put that right here. You ain't got to trade, don't forget. You ain't have to trade nothing. You just watch it. Let me get this tool out right there. That's a strong pullback. Any news? And we have no news. Move with no news. Not touching it. SENS still hovering at 1-2 cents gain it did earlier. Over here, SIF pulled back. It found support on one in that 551 area and bounced off it. Not buying anything yet. What's this right here moving? AMPE is moving. Look at that share though. 185 million share float. That's ridiculous. It's on trading 9 million shares. Why is it moving so much with that many shares being traded? It's dangerous. I'm gonna go over here and say I haven't bought anything yet. Come on, I'm typing and reading. I'm typing and reading. See a stock here? RCHDW. Look at all them daggone shares, all them symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 symbols. 233,000 shares traded on a 0 share float, up 56%. This is why I tell you, be careful of stocks with more than 4 symbols. Those things are dangerous. They will blow up on you in a minute. Hey, why is it running right now? Watch this. RCHGW. It's a lot of daggone symbols. Right, my bad. RCHGW. Look at that. Any news? No news, and this runs all of a sudden, right? Be careful. Be very careful with stocks with 4 or more symbols. CEI, no. HCAP, no volume, but a small float. SIF making a move right here. I'm gonna hop in here for a minute. Hop in about 580. Let's watch. In my large account. I'm in at 583. SIF. Looking for 625, 630 sell point. Bottom right, SIF. Let me see. Nothing yet in my small account. Again, you don't gotta trade. You don't like what it looks like, don't trade. At least it's my opinion. There we go. $6, $603. Need 625, 630. I'm gonna hop out of it. Sometimes moves take longer than others to move, but it'll make that move for you. Look at IZEA. It's popping in right here. Look at IZEA. One of my old faithful. All right, IZEA. IZEA. Let me go up here. Any news on this? Let me see. That's a good move. Any news? Sure, there's no man. No. Move with no news. Not messing with it. A lot of times here on these Christmas Eves or New Year's Eve or pre-holidays, you'll see a lot of stocks move for no reason. It can be pump and dumps. It can be a lot of stuff. Now, here's my thing though. If Christmas for me is tomorrow and I want to play on emotion, I would just come in and get a stock and just run it up. If I had big money to throw away, I'll buy 1 million shares of a stock and make it move. If a stock only has a 5 million share float, me buying 1 million shares, that's freaking 20% of the float. So it'll run up immediately with my buy. With no news, you looking like, wait a minute, why I run so much with no news? Look at this bar here. I'm sure it pumped in. Level 2. A big buyer came in right there, like right there, that at 192. Big seller came in and destroyed it. Watch it drop. That's 116,000. Just sold. If I saw like that, I'll buy a bunch of shares, like 100,000 or 200,000 shares, run it up real quick. That bar there, hop in. You see me do it, you hop in too. As it goes up, I hop out of it. Keep on going, pump and dump. Be careful of pump and dumps. They're everywhere. Look at the top right, level 2. Look what it's doing. Look at the bid, look at the ask. Buy, sell, bid, ask. All this here with no news. And it's IZEA Worldwide Inc. I think it's a telecom, I'm mistaken. Nothing doing anything right now. CEEI had the smallest float It's doing nothing either. Look at the 15-minute chart right here. Straight pullback mode. See that? It's about to curve. When it curve up, that's your buy-in target on the 15-minute chart. But it's still dark green here. It need to be a light green, larger than the previous dark green candle, in order for it to show it's bullish again, right? Again, I haven't bought anything yet on the small account, but I am in my large account SIF for a quick run at 625, 630. I'm gonna hold it for a minute. A couple fake outs down here. Go to 5-minute chart right here. I'm in the video in 8 minutes. I don't like what nothing doing right now. Other than SIF, moving little by little. So I'm gonna go in the group here and say SIF looking for a 625 to 650 sell. That's his stock here. Remember, if something don't look the way you want it to look, don't buy it. It's no must to trade. You don't have to trade. You can always avoid trading. You can just look at stuff and see how it looks, don't like it, and then don't trade. Don't force the issue. You want to lose money? Force the issue. Look at INO of 5%. Can 3%. Mara, oil up again. Marathon. Holidays, travel, right? Makes sense. MVIS is back again. Redo. LIVX back again. THCA. MTL back. Neuro is back. WISA is back. ONCY is back. THBR is back. Now, I know you might say, but damn, Joe, you put the same symbols in every day. Well, sometimes I erase symbols, and every now and again you do that. The stock can move too quick, and you end up deleting the symbol you had in there to save. Look at Blink. BLNK, BLNK right here, and BLNKW. Moving together. See that? So, watch this. BLNK, BLNKW are moving together. So, take a look at it. Here we go. 612. $6.17, bottom right. I said I want to get to, I need to be 625 to 650 sell target. We're moving little by little, bottom right. We're gonna go to where we at right here. You find this BLNK and BLNKW. Get some money right quick on these stocks. Now, I don't like trading stocks more than 4 symbols. However, when I see an obvious mover together with another stock, I'm going to buy one of those two. Probably both sometimes. So let me take a look at this for a minute. Slow morning. Video ends in 4 minutes. Let's see. I can't find a small account trade. Oh well. Can't find what you want, don't trade. Can't find what you want, don't trade. Alright. Take a look right here at CEI. See what it's doing. Alright, it's still, here come the green bar. We need to make a new high, so let me get rid of these lines here. Move my old drawing. Let's see. 126. Possible. $125. See that curvature? They're gonna curve. Let's watch. Let's look at the 5-day, 15-minute chart, and what is it saying? We need to curve up. See that? It's banging that point. Even on the 15-minute chart, it's banging that same point that I drew way earlier. Need us to blow past this solid green, blow through this, make this 126 support. Need reversal down here as well. The 1-minute chart says reversal is coming, right? Look at this. It's 183, whole day just pull back. Now maybe we can do reversal here to make a new high. Same line all the way across. Look back here. Way back here, all the way across. Let's make it smaller. Way back here even. Look at that. It hit here. It ran up. It support, right? Found support. It bounced up. It pulled back. Better. Left shoulder. Pull back support. Found the head. Support. And then the shoulder, right? Head and shoulders. Now you're right below that left shoulder. This point here has now become support. If we can pop this 126 and make this area here support, we got a good move coming. 5-day, 15-minute. It's going to show you the same thing. Not worth buying yet. Look at previous history. Look back here the last 180 days, 4 hours. History. It run up, pull back. Right? Next day, 2 days later, up, pull back, drop, up, pull back, drop, up, pull back. Does the same thing all the time. Find previous history of what it does before, because it's probably going to do it again. Right? Look at the last year. It was 14 way back here on January 8th. Way back there. Then it popped up higher again here on 379 and it pulled back. So we have constant run-ups and pullbacks. Happens a lot, right? Run up, pull back. Let's go. Where we at? 5-day, 5-minute. All right. Look at SINs. Look at SIF, SIF. I said 625, 630, right? Look at that. Here we are. Looking at 625 to 650 sell target. Now, what I'm gonna do is go right here, and you'll see it right there. 620 is popping. Let me find my sell point now on my large account and hop out of it. All right. And I'm out at 630 is my goal. See what happens right here. They go 20, 24, 26. I'm gonna get out again, 26. Popped again, I'm getting out of it. 22. I want 30 though. Let's see. 24 and 25, and I'm out right there, 26. I'm out 26. I'm going to the group again and go over here to my post where I said, looking at a 625 to 650 sell target. And here you are. There's my trade. It's in the group. Meanwhile, top left, CEI is terribly fading. I haven't traded anything yet. Let's verify this. I made no trades yet. Right? Nothing on my small account. However, made one large account trade. I'm about to call it a day because I don't like what it's doing right now. Refresh the screen. We had 34 minutes into it. And I'm going to tell you right here, look at my trade on SIF. 10,200. This is my totals, right? This is just nothing. White numbers, nothing there, totals. All right. Only made one trade. Made none. I'm calling it a day. All right, there we go, right? No trades, but this one. Only one. I called it up here. Just never made support. Never did anything. With that being said, no trade, small account, one in my large account, 10,200 bucks for 30 minutes of work. I don't know any job paying you that. That's your professional athlete or a doctor maybe, you know. With that being said, look at SIF, SIF. It popped. Look at that. 645, 650. See that? And there we are. 625 to 650. All right, one trade away. Be safe.